Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and has a SIM active. This ensures real data metrics. Once ready, swipe up or find settings on the home screen and tap it. Next, locate network and internet. This groups mobile data and Wi-Fi stats. Do this now so you're on the right page. It speeds everything up. Make sure your mobile data toggle is visible because the next steps read counters from that interface. Tap data usage to open a detailed view. Here you'll see the billing period and a total MB or GB consumed. Scroll to app data usage to view individual apps and identify heavy users. This helps you understand why usage spikes. If needed, change the billing cycle so numbers match your carrier. Once done, you can also set a warning or cap. Make sure to check both foreground and background columns, because background activity often explains unexpected consumption. To finish, set a data warning or hard limit to prevent overages. Apply background data restriction for greedy apps to stop silent drains. Turn on Data Saver to restrict non-essential background traffic. This reduces surprises. If the total's look incorrect, reboot the phone and check carrier settings or APN, because sync issues or delayed carrier updates can misreport usage. If problems persist, toggle mobile data off and on. Then recheck the data usage page to confirm corrected counters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.